Hello friend, welcome back to MiniCooper Garage. I'm preparing this 2006 MiniCooper for the big service, and the Mini wasn't driven for approximately 2 weeks. It was here, and because of that I finally find out, unfortunately, that it has some oil leaks. When I bought it, I was driving it daily for approximately months, and I never had any oil in the driveway. There was nothing smelling, everything was fantastic. But that's because if the oil leak is very tiny, while you are driving, that oil basically goes underneath the vehicle, and the wind and the air movement takes it away, and you really cannot see it if it's in such a small stage or beginning stage. You cannot actually see it unless you get underneath the vehicle. And let me finally show you what I discovered today. This is first time ever, and I found that I have 2 puddles. Now let's see and do the test, right? So this is, I will say immediately, this must be engine oil. It smells like engine oil. It had that color of a little bit used. My question is if this one is the same, if it's the same kind of dark, or if it's actually from something else. Because one of them could be the engine oil and one of them could be, for example, from power steering system, right? And I put the light down here so you can look with me, right, on that area. So obviously this is the engine oil pan, and you can see the spots, right? This is one of them. Let me move that light. So this will be one of them. Here is another one. But as we said, if you look on the bottom of transmission, there is a bunch of oil too. Here is the power steering fan, right, for the motor, electric motor. So definitely there is some oil here on the bottom, and later on when I will start taking it apart, we will be able to see from where it's coming. And that means I definitely inviting you to stay tuned to this channel, because as I said, I will start taking it apart tomorrow, and I will have a lot of videos about this MiniCooper and other ones coming your way soon. Thank you for watching today, and have a wonderful day.